Hi, my name is Sylvie for Abundance Through Nature. Today, I'm at a very special place. I'm where 19 years ago, the first miracle happened in my own life, when my little baby girl, Kayla, was completely cured from a non-curable disease. I remember I was walking right there, and I was crying of joy, because this happened in our life, right here. And I'm so thankful and grateful for this precious moment. And I become very emotive when I talk about it. But you know, I didn't understand at that time why it happened here at the Basilica of ste-Anne in Quebec, Canada. But many years after, I've analyzed and I've realized that here I was that day, letting go of all this emotion, all this waiting, all this wanting so much. I've released it in this spiritual dimension that we all have. And this is when everything happened after. Initially, when I came here, I wasn't asking for my little baby girl to be cured. I came here to ask for the strength to go through this new life I had, with full of limitation, because I was desperate, and without waiting for anything, it happened for me. So today I wanted to ask you, what do you hold on to so much right now, that you want so much, that you believe you can have? It won't happen in your life until you release this emotion into this spiritual dimension. You must let go of it, and then things can happen. So what can you let go of today to change your life? Think about it. And I'll show you around the Basilica of ste-Anne. I find it very beautiful. And you know, it doesn't depend on our religion or beliefs, because we all have access to the spiritual dimension. And I honor every religion, and most of all, I honor your spiritual dimension. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.